Yes.
Sabina, of course.
Yes, of course. Thank you.
Deepika has been, very, very persistent, and it was a surprise because actually going back when we were looking at bringing out the document on Kaminde's work, this was one of the buildings because we wanted to have it in one of his buildings. So around here there are like 3 or 4 of them. Azad Bhavan is the other one, and we had visited here to see the possibilities of actually using the auditorium, to kind of. So when she came back and said that she would like to have something here, and as a tribute to Kanvinde, one kind of said, sure, we can talk about, his work around that time. So that's how we are here.
That was some time ago, but everything has kind of transpired since then.
So we're just looking at Kanvinde's work when he came back after his graduation.
Many, very, many drawings like this of every detail worked out in 3D. And it's lovely to see how Kanvinde sir's drawings which were perspective, made by hand, and now these drawings. Really the beauty of the art of architecture and engineering is really coming together because the theme that you have for this photo. I can't miss this by not talking about this rhombus. So they came up with many sections for this week. So just taking you back. You can see it looks like a square section of every member, but it's not square actually. It's a rhombus. Yeah. So it's a rhombus, and that was the most optimum section. Bring all of these different kinds of nodes and make them fit in the smallest section possible. So this is that amazing. We call it the robust rhombus now. And it's, I think, only 22 centimeters. I don't mind if I'm mistaken. 22 centimeters. So this is, you can see how this is where the tree, at every side, how you can tell the heaviness of the reinforcement also. How they're putting it all together, the manual work. I know it's still not dissimilar even today, but this was done in 1972, so a good 60 years ago. And these are the details, like I was telling you, the sections and all.
Very briefly about this journey, which is origami to architecture and making connections, exploring space and materials. So in school, if you remember, we were taught subjects like this.
मैं यहाँ देख रहा था, जब भी इधर से निकलता मुझे ऐसे लगता है यार IIT कानपुर पहुँच गए, because vocabulary, language, materials, the form, it speaks, and that is what the great masters are. And there's a love, passion, which really created beautiful architecture of that time. आज हम बात कर रहे हैं, we talking about architecture, art, amalgamation with all designs, and I am very, with like now more than 55 years of travel into architecture and looking into the past, getting educated from, like your father, the great master, kitna politeness, kitna humble.
I forgot to mention, I missed to mention that besides the women artists and the other artists here, we are a bunch of women architects here. So we are celebrating women architects. Sabina, please come here, Sabina. So we have this Wiki National Architecture Council. So few of us are here representing. Architect Sabina Khanna is the President for National Architecture Council, and I'm the Vice President for National Architecture Council. We have Kavita Vich. Please come here. She's the State Council head.
The shlok, which says, Navi Samajasya Vastukara. So women are the architects of society. Now these women are the genuine architects not only of the society but of the buildings also. So let's celebrate that. I think this is almost like in today's world of technology, you have a hardware, you need a software, and without software, the hardware is useless. So in our into spaces, it's almost like getting software into the system, and if you look at it from a human perspective, it's like having a soul in a human body. A body without soul is useless. So art is what connects us and what brings us softer and the intelligent side. So art is very, very important in spaces, because without art or the spaces bereft of art, lack the soul and lack the software to operate. What I can say is I met bold people from art, architecture and design basically, and very proud of my heritage, and both the people who I have met today are people who work on mixed media, modern techniques to ancient technology, and textiles to the modern painting. Some people who are professionals, others who are not professionals. But putting all the creativity together is what I feel is looking for modern power in the hands of those artists who try to replicate all the creativity. So my heartfelt gratitude to everyone who chose to be part of the exhibition and also allowed me to visualize it.
Bunda Singh Mahadur, Hare Singh Narwal, all that was.
And because of
Then I think we work together.
So you have to explain what are you showing them.
sir, now this is dreaming.
Daydreaming.
Daydreaming. मतलब
तो
हम
बैठ
लोग
के अगर सोच रहे हैं,
अब जब मैं बहुत थक जाती हूँ काम करते करते, तो एक चीज़ को देख के उम्मीद होती है कि ये बनकर निकलेगा, तो बहुत थकने के बाद फोर्स होते ऐसे ही बैठते हैं. इट्स अ रिलैक्सिंग फोर्स, और उस समय हमें जितने थॉट्स आते हैं दैट इज ड्रीमिंग, और हम उसको अचीव भी करते हैं. मतलब बीइंग अ वुमन ऐसे नहीं होंगी कि आई एम नॉट एम्पावर्ड और कोई ऐसी प्रॉब्लम नहीं, लेकिन ज़िंदगी में ड्रीम्स को अचीव करने के लिए हम मेहनत ज़्यादा करें. 20%, 30% एक्स्ट्रा एफर्ट्स. तो दिस इज माई एफर्ट एंड आई पोस्ट दिस एज अ डायमंड, क्योंकि हम लोग इतना खिंच चुके होते हैं कि हम डायमंड ही बन सकते हैं. We started our journey from charcoal. एक कोयले की खान से हम शुरुआत करते हैं, से निकलते हैं, उठते हैं, घिसते हैं, बनते हैं, फिर जलते हैं और फिर हम असली बनते हैं. So these are diamonds.
so beautiful. And what about the other one?
This is life. Life which brought inwards to me. मेरी जिंदगी को मेरी ही दायरे में घूमते हुए देखा. इसका कोई एंड नहीं, इसकी कोई शुरुआत नहीं, पर पूरी मेरी जिंदगी कभी ऊंचा है, कभी नीचा है, कभी ढलता है, कभी. और मेरी सिर्फ एक ही चीज़ है, वो मेरा ब्रेन, मेरी सोच, तो मुझे आज तक जिंदा. This is my
बस इसमें एक कमी रह गई मेरे हिसाब से.
जी बताइए प्लीज.
यहाँ जो हेड बना है ना, इसमें
बच्चा
थोड़ा सा हार्ट क्रिएट कर देना, क्योंकि वो हेड और हार्ट का कॉम्बिनेशन है.
नाम परसों ही हो जाएगा.
क्योंकि head of course is me, but so is my heart. And I always say कितनी कॉपीज निकालोगे यार, head कहाँ से लाओगे और heart कहाँ से लाओगे.
और सिर्फ एक औरत ही है जिसको कंबाइन के चलता भी है. We work 100% by heart. We work
I'm
100%.
sure in your case also the same. So just create a heart.
And it will